Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles to Instagram Reels. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download an application called CapCut. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So go to your Google Play or App Store and search for CapCut. And then install CapCut. And once that is done, click on Open. Wait a moment for it to open, and here just click on skip like so, and then go to edit, bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then click on new project. And then once you've clicked on new project, find that video that you want to add subtitles to. So I'm going to click this video here, and then I'm going to click on add. And once this video is uploaded to CapCut, click on the text icon, bottom of your screen. And then from here, it should say auto captions. So click on auto captions. And as you can see, it's generated in English, but you can change it to any other language here. And also, this generates from this video. You've got a few different templates here you can use for your subtitles. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the first one. And then once I've done that, you can click on generate. And that's it guys, how to add subtitles to your CapCut video to go to Instagram Reels or videos. So just click on the tick button and I'll go ahead and press play just to show you guys this works.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to work together inside CapCut. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information.
Yeah, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.